loves, welcome back to Beauty by Cherelle J. Thank you so much for being here. If you're returning, I thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for the love and feedback, messages, DMs, everything that I've been getting from you guys. If this is your first time here, welcome, and I'd ask that you hit that red button below, subscribe to my channel, turn that notification button on if you wish, so that you can be the first to be notified every time I post a video. I'll be posting videos each and every Thursday at 12 p.m. So I'm currently on day 3 here from this wash and go. It's not necessarily a wash and go because I did do it on dry hair. I had washed my hair 2 days before. I did a failed braid out. Very failed. And my hair was just dry and a mess, so I had it pulled up in 2 ponytails for 2 days. So it was a bit stretched out, dry, uncared for, unloved. Just, it was just in a state, you know? So I wanted to do something with it. I really wanted to do a wash and go. I hadn't done one in a while, but I also did not want to wash my hair again because it had only been 2 days. So I decided to go ahead and try to do a wash and go on dry hair. So wash and go styling on dry, previously washed hair. So what I first did is I went in with my misting bottle, and in my misting bottle I had warm water, about 2 tablespoons of hair conditioner. I used Aussie Moist, and then I put about 2 teaspoons of olive oil, shook that up, and that's what I was using in my hair, only to lock some extra moisture in there because I didn't really have any at all. But I had previously put a twisting product in my hair, you know, those little twisting braid out type products, thick creams in my hair, so I didn't really want to add any other heavy products. So I decided to just put that mixture together in my spray bottle, and that's what I would use to moisturize my hair to do it. And then I detangled my hair with Aunt Jackie's Nut on my watch. And then lastly, to define, I went in with my Extreme Wetline Gel, my favorite holy grail, put it before everything else gel. Went in with that to define, and then it only took about an hour for my hair to dry since I did start on dry hair, so that was really lovely. And then I waited till the second day to stretch my hair out. I haven't stretched it again today. This is still from yesterday. So loves, the biggest thing to keep in mind is that you are not working with wet hair, so it's not going to be as easy for those curls to naturally form. You are going to have to just give them a little push, whether it is scrunching it as I just did or shaking it to help it activate, a little help, and then it'll naturally form as it dries. Just running through those steps one more time. The first thing you're going to do is mist or spray your hair with that olive oil and conditioner mixture. Then you're going to detangle with a wide tooth comb and or a Denman brush. Then lastly, you're going to go in to define with that gel, whichever gel you prefer. I personally always will prefer the Extreme Wetline. Speaking for myself, I do get the most frizz from the middle to root of my hair strands, so I do always apply the most gel there and then just smooth it down to the ends. Alright, yeah, so literally at this last moment I decided that I do actually like this very messy, nice bun up top. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna go through with the gel throughout all of the hair or wet it because I do want this to, the bun portion of it, to stay full and messy like this. I'm actually just going to wet the roots, put gel around it, pull it nice and tight, and then just do some very spur of the moment something with the top portion. If this was freshly washed hair, I wouldn't do this, but seeing as though this is really just holding me over until wash day, I think think it'll be fine. For my new naturals, do not worry about the parts of my hair that do still look white. Those are the parts of my hair that were recently done, so they're still wet, but as they do dry, the hair does dry clear, so it will not stay like that. So yes, I want the bun to be messy, but still a little refined. So I'm just going to take a couple bobby pins and stick some pieces in that are just overdoing it a little bit. Then I'm just going to open up the bun to loosen it a bit to help it, you know, with that whole messy effect. And lastly, you can never forget those edges, so I'm just going to go back in with my Extreme Wetline Gel, apply it to my edges, then use my edge brush. I'll put a link below to where I ordered it from on Amazon, in case anyone's interested. So these are my beautiful defined curls on day 1 when I first finish. But if you've been around from the beginning, you should know that I am a bigger fan of day 3 and 4 here and anything after that for all of the volume. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe.